This 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 314 BHDS 2BDRM double slide outside kitchen is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, skylight, auxiliary battery, slide-out, external shower, TV, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 314 BHDS 2BDRM double slide outside kitchen is 8,640 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.